We want to consider the nutrient-dense foods, so we want to be aiming for about half of our daily calories from vegetables, followed by fruits, followed by raw nuts and seeds, and then you're going to have your organic meats, your teas, your coffees, your starchy foods. Those are going to only make up a small amount. You're looking anywhere from 10% to 15% of your daily caloric intake. It's just a matter of being mindful. What are you taking in consistently? Because either that's going to build your body up and be the safest form of medicine, or it's going to be the slowest form of poison if you're off the rails all the time and not being mindful of what you're eating, putting on your plate, and taking in.